Welcome to the O3 installation video. Today, we'll be installing an O3 Edge in a meeting room, guiding you through all the steps to install and configure it. To begin, we'll remove the install guide, backplate, and O3 from the box. We will select the best location to install our hub. Remembering, we want to be at least 4 feet away from any air diffusers or sources of heat, like a projector. The O3 should be in a central location, over the area where occupants spend most of their time. To install the O3, we will secure the backplate to the ceiling and make a hole to run the wiring through. For our drop ceiling installation, we will need a drill and a hole saw. We also need screws and their matching screwdriver, wire strippers, and a terminal driver. To start with, we'll take down the ceiling tile and drill the hole for our wires. We are using a 1-inch hole saw, giving us plenty of room to pull the wires through. We'll center the mounting bracket around the hole and attach it using our 2 screws. We'll use a plastic backing piece to support the screws, ensuring the O3 backplate is securely installed on the ceiling tile. Now we'll bring our Ethernet cable and power cable to our installation location. Each hub needs 24 volts DC and will consume 10 watts of power. Keep in mind, you can daisy-chain the network connections and power between devices to save on installation costs. Next, we'll connect our power and network wires to the O3. Now it's time to install the O3 on the ceiling tile. To do so, we'll align the hub with the backplate so it's flush mounted, then turn it clockwise until it reaches the desired position. With the wiring complete and the O3 mounted, we'll apply power and turn it on for the first time. As it powers up, we'll see the blue swirl pattern on the LED ring, which then changes to show the network status of the device. With our hub now operating, we are ready to provision it. Using the O3 Setup app on our Apple or Android device, we'll complete this step wirelessly using Bluetooth. The first time we use the O3 Setup app, we must set a device PIN. This will define the PIN for all the hubs we provision, securing these devices. In the app, we can now set up our sensor hub. We'll specify which communication protocol to use, specify a static IP or enable DHCP, and calibrate our temperature and light sensors. For calibration steps, refer to the Quick Start Guide included in the box. With all our settings defined, we'll now push them into the hub. During provisioning, we should also push the latest firmware into our O3. This is triggered through the app. Once the process begins, we can disconnect from the device and move on to our next installation. Our O3 is powered on and connected to our network. We can now integrate it with our existing building control system using BACnet IP or BACnet Ethernet. We can also connect it to other systems using MQTT or even build mobile apps using BLE for integration.